Kamusta kayong lahat mga palangga? Good evening kasi gabi na dito sa amin. Sa aking mga subscribers, sa aking mga followers, thank you so much for watching. So, I have another one here again. The Happy Meal BTS toys. So, in the Encore edition, red box. For the Throwback edition, it's purple. Let us check. What's inside? Oh my god, it's GK. JK, it's joke. It's Jungkook. Jungkook, mga palangga. Ang cute nila. They changed their outfit. So, ayan. Ang cute naman ng kanyang outfit. Lahat sila magaganda yung outfit nila. Ayan o, si Jungkook. Nakakatuwa talaga yung lahat ng mga toys ng BTS na to mga palangga. So, you need to collect all of this para wala kayong ma-miss. Ayan, thank you so much for watching. See you again on my next vlog. So, for the number of the box, Jungkook is in number 14. Ayan, 14 po siya mga palangga. Ayan, bye for now.